Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on Motorola Moto E14. Firstly, go into your home screen, and while you're there, hold anywhere where there is free space. So let's say here. Now tap on widgets. Got it. Select from which app you would like to add a widget. So I will choose, let's say, Ampere. And I'm going to set maybe temp. So just hold the thing that you would like to add and drag it where you would like to add it. So after you dragged it, just release it in the place where you would like to leave it. And as you can see, this widget has been added. And now if I would like to remove it, I just have to simply hold it again and drag it onto the bar that says remove. So here, again, release the finger from your screen, and that's all. If I helped you, please like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, write them in the comments.